Hey everyone, welcome back. Crypto market is highly volatile and without proper risk management, you are exposed to heavy loss. In this tutorial, I will cover how to place a stop loss and take profit simultaneously on Binance Spot trading. Let's dive into the computer screen. We have to use the OCO option on Binance to set take profits and stop loss after purchasing any crypto asset. So let me show you that where you can find this OCO option. This is the chart of Sol BUSD and you have to come here on sell, and on sell you will find these three options: limit, market and stop limit. You have to click on stop limit and here you're gonna find OCO option. Let me explain what exactly is OCO. OCO refers to one cancel the other and it allows a trader to place two trades at the same time. This option includes limit and stop limit orders, but only one of the two orders will be executed. Binance Exchange is allowing the user to automate their basic trading. OCO order comes handy to deal the market volatility. I will explain in this video that how you have to apply OCO and how effective it can be for your trading journey. In order to explain this concept, I have purchased one Sol. You can see that one Sol is available for selling and I have purchased it at 89.25. This was my buying zone. Alright. Now I have said that my take profit is 105.44 and I want to exit the market at $83.75. So the market is very volatile. If I will wait for the market, then the risk management will not come into play. So I want to create an order where the take profit or stop loss should hit. So what I have to do is I have to go on OCO. Here in the price, I have to type the take profit 105.44. So this will be my take profit, and stop means that where your order will be triggered on order books. So my stop loss is 83.75. So I want when the price reach 85, it will be appeared on the order books. And if the price reaches 83.75, the order will be executed. All right. And here I can sell 0.5 Sol or I can sell my entire one Sol. So this option is for the control that how much amount of your asset you want to sell. So here let me explain it what exactly it means. It means that I have purchased the asset for $89.25 and my trade setup says that I want to take profit at 105.44 and I want to exit the market when the price falls below 83.75. Let me show you that when I'm gonna click on sell, and you can see that the OCO order has been created. You can clearly see two orders. This is stop limit order 83.75 and this is my take profit order. Whichever the order is executed first, you will exit the market with whether the take profit or stop loss. So this is how you can use OCO to set take profits and stop loss simultaneously. This is a very useful tool that should be used by every trader. It automates your trading journey. It also helps you to manage your risks. Let me show you that what is the risk to reward ratio for this trade setup. So you can clearly see that the risk to reward ratio is 1.97. That if I have invested $1, I am expecting $1.97 in return. OCO options plays a vital role in your trading journey. If there is a huge market crash, then you just exit the market and your portfolio do not go in a big drawdown or in a big loss. Or if you are sleeping and you are not in front of screen, you can use OCO option to set your take profits and stop loss. It basically automates your trading journey. So here you can see that price of Sol was 233 on 2nd December. All right. And on 3rd December, the lowest was 205, and this was the day 4th of December when the market got crashed. You can clearly see that the opening price was 211 and the lowest price was 171, and then from that point onward the price of Sol has been in a clear drawdown. If you have made a purchase here and you have not exited the market by hitting the stop loss, then you can clearly see a huge loss in your spot capital. Let me mark the range. Let's suppose this is the range where you have made the purchase. So if you have purchased here and you have not placed a stop loss and you are continuing with your spot bag, then you are in 60.67% drawdown. So this is why you have to use OCO option in your trade setups. It will help you to manage your risk, and it's a very good option to automate your trading journey. So that is it for this particular tutorial. I will be meeting you with another informative video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.